Welcome to our YouTube channel where we talk about entrepreneurship, how you can succeed as an entrepreneur. There is a syndrome that makes a lot of entrepreneurs fail, and that is I own my business syndrome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use the Cashflow Quadrant to escape that I own my business syndrome. Because once you get started on your business, you tend to be too confident, be too comfortable that you own your business, and you decide when to wake up, you decide when to leave the house. So you have to do everything at your own time and nobody is monitoring you. This is good, but the downside is even more, except you are extremely disciplined. Now, the Cashflow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki divides the income quadrant into four, which is the employee quadrant, the self-employed quadrant, the business owner quadrant, and the investors quadrant. Now, as a business owner, you think you are already in the B quadrant, which is the business quadrant, but no, let's take it from the ESBI. So when you start your business and you want to escape the I own my business syndrome, follow this path with the Cashflow Quadrant. First, though you own your business, see yourself as an employee, that your employer are your goals. Set out the goals you want to achieve within the first 90 days. It can be monetary goal. In my first 90 days, I want to make 200,000 naira. I want to make 1 million naira. Let this be the thing that wakes you up and that sets you going. Okay, let it define when you leave the house and when you close for the day, even if you are working from home. Okay, get dressed as if you are leaving the house and start working for the day. So let your goal drive you. That is, see yourself as an employee to your goal. Then 2 is the self-employed quadrant. And the self-employed quadrant, set another monetary goal, but this time around a goal that will be enough to buy yourself something valuable. Okay, you are still working for your goal, but look out for a mentor. Have a mentor that you report to, someone who can guide you, who have passed through that path you are going through, and give your report to that mentor. Okay, now your mentor could also be a chart. Okay, while you are following someone, you can also set up a chart to mark your progress and let this progress be your guide. Now, the third quadrant can also help you, which is the business quadrant. What is a business? Owning a barbing salon does not make you a business owner. Owning a business simply means you own a system that can generate you money even in your absence. So grow that your business until it can generate money even in your absence. This will help you escape comfort zone. Until it can generate money in your absence, you don't own a business. So don't get too comfortable yet because you own your business until you can earn you money even when you go on vacation. The last quadrant is the investors quadrant. Until your business is making you enough money to send those money on errands that can generate you money, then your business is not there yet. So until you are making enough money, you can put your business into investment good enough that can pay you passively, then there's still a lot of work for you to do in terms of growing your business. So follow the Cashflow Quadrant to escape the I own my business syndrome, so you fall among the 5% of successful entrepreneurs. Till I come again your way, keep succeeding, keep excelling, and keep building. Thank you.